If you're considering the Westin Resort Costa Navarino, let me give you some reasons to think twice. First off, the location might seem idyllic, but it's incredibly isolated. Unless you're planning to stay within the resort for your entire trip, getting anywhere else requires a long drive. There's not much to do outside the property. So if you're someone who likes to explore local towns or attractions, this might not be the place for you. The rooms, while spacious, feel outdated. The decor is bland and lacks the modern touch you'd expect from a luxury resort. The furniture shows signs of wear, and the bathrooms, though functional, are far from luxurious. For the price you're paying, you'd expect a more polished and up-to-date experience. Service is another letdown. The staff often seems overwhelmed, and getting assistance can take forever, whether it's room service or help at the front desk. The response time is slow, and the attitude isn't always welcoming. It's clear they're understaffed, which really detract from the overall experience. The food is mediocre at best. The on-site restaurants are overpriced, and the quality doesn't justify the cost. The breakfast buffet is repetitive, and the options are limited. If you're a foodie, you'll likely be disappointed. The pools and beach areas are crowded, especially during peak seasons. Finding a lounge chair can be a challenge, and the atmosphere feels more chaotic than relaxing. The beach itself is nice, but the resort doesn't do much to enhance the experience. Lastly, the Wi-Fi is unreliable. For a resort that caters to both leisure and business travelers, this is a major inconvenience. Streaming, working, or even just browsing the web can be frustratingly slow. Overall, the Westin Resort Costa Navarino falls short of expectations.